Hey Jetty Rockers, welcome to Jetty Rocks Fishing. And today we're going to do another catch, clean, and cook. The other day I was out with my good friends Justin Beosrick and Mark Hopper. Haven't really fished for Mark Hopper in like 20 years. We used to fish together a lot when he lived down here, then he moved up to Virginia. And once in a while he'll come back down and we've got the chance to fish every once in a while. But this was just a real good treat for the three of us to get together and fish. And let me tell you something, we had a great day. We had an awesome day. We didn't catch a whole lot of fish, but we had an amazing day fishing with each other. So real quick guys, check out these clips of us catching some really cool pompano. I got one and Mark got one. And then I'll see you guys at the cleaning table and I'll see you all in the kitchen. We're gonna be cooking some pompano, y'all. Alright guys, well we've been working for it this morning. We have been out here since 6:30. We have been jumping from place to place trying to jump some pompano. We finally started doing it and hopefully we'll end up catching something. I got my buddy Justin with me, which all y'all know him. Also got our good friend Mark with us from up north. Where are you from, Mark? Virginia. So it was good to have him back down here because it's been what, 20 years or so?
Yeah,
it's been about 20 years since we fished together. So good stuff guys, hopefully we'll start making something happen. All right, hooked up finally. That's a nice one too. This is a good one.
yeah, it's good size.
Yeah, that's a good pompano right there. That's a good one. They are here finally. Yep, that's a nice pump.
Good fish.
Golly. That's a good one. Jeez, boy, he made me work for it. Yes, he is. I have worked for that fish all morning. Nice one. Heck yeah.
I don't think there's even a need to measure him.
Nah, just curious. He's 13 inches. All right, got one. All right, guys. Well, we just hit a minefield of pompano. Hopefully, one of us will hook up right here. All right, guys. Mark's hooked up. Will this be your first pompano, Mark?
It is.
Awesome.
Stud too.
That's a good one.
Bring him up.
Just get him up and flick him in. That is a good one, buddy. Think we need to net him or?
Good size. Let me that net. Here, just hang. Yeah, you worry about the fish.
Oh yeah.
All right, bring him on.
That's a caught fish.
Big ass pompano, dude. Oh, yeah. Nice fish.
Heck yeah, give me some, brother. Awesome. That's a good one, guys. Nice pompano. That's what we been see popping up next to the boat.
Yeah, big ones.
That's a good one. All right, Justin, your turn, man. Yeah. Awesome, man. That is a good. Uh oh, we'll get him. That's a good one. I think that's a good one. I'll have to get you a picture with that one, brother.
Yeah.
All right, guys, look at my pompano here. Got two of them. So we're gonna do a catch, clean, and cook. Real quick, I'm gonna show you how to clean up some pompano. Real easy. We're gonna fillet these ones. Just come along the head right there, just like that. And we're just going to come along the side, come along that backbone, just like that. And then we're going to run that knife all the way down. Let's go a little bit more. Just like that. You'll hear that clicking sound. That lets you know you're right up against that backbone. Come through. Come through like that. And I'll switch it the other way. Right through that rib cage. And there you go. You got a pompano fillet. All right, we got our fillet here. And come through. Pompano skin can be a little hard to skin because you can go right through it real easy. So we'll just take our time. And there we go. We did that pretty good. We left a little bit on right there, but that's okay. And look who just came up here. Come here, Charger. Come up here. Come here, Charger. Charger. Come on up. Come on, Charger. Charger, come on. Charger. Charger, come on. Come up here, come on. Come on, Charger. Oh, now you don't want to come up here. Here he comes. There comes Charger. Here, buddy. Awesome. There's Charger. There you go. Yeah, he don't want it. Listen, throw it on the ground. All right, guys. Well, we got our pompano fillets here. Got them all nice and clean. I cut all the bloodline out. I'm not going to mess with that little bit of skin that's on there. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to put some marsala sauce, some tikka marsala, made by the same people that makes that korma sauce. And we also get this at Aldi's. So I'm going to go ahead and put a nice little bit down there on the bottom. Move it around. And then we're going to go ahead and lay our fish in here. Just like that. Get them all nice in there. And we got Murphy over there talking to me. There we go. Got those like that. Go ahead and open up another one. Just gonna put that on top. Just like that. And what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna cover it with some aluminum foil. Then we're gonna put it in the oven for about 25 minutes at 375. And it'll be good to go, guys. Super simple, super easy, and absolutely delicious. All right, well, it's out of the oven. Ooh, man. Look at that, guys. That looks phenomenal. Awesome. Super simple. I'm going to go ahead and plate this up, and I'll see you guys on the couch. And that looks delicious. Somebody needs to invent smell-o-vision. I'm telling you. All right, well, let me get one of these out real quick. Got me some rice. Put it right there. Give me some extra marsala sauce. Put it on the rice. And there we go, y'all. That looks banging. All right, y'all. Here we go. Here's my pompano, my baked marsala pompano. All right, let's see how this tastes. Here we go. Whew. That's good. That is really good. That's awesome. Wow. It almost tastes like shellfish. Really close to shellfish. That's really good, guys. Really good. A little shocked at the flavor, though, because I've eaten pompano many, many times, and it's never tasted shellfishy. So it's kind of interesting. That's awesome. That was really good. Well, guys, thank you for hanging out with me today and going on that little trip with me, Justin, and Mark. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And Pompano should be firing off here pretty soon. Hopefully we'll get out there and really get on a really good bite with them. They're just now moving in here for the summer. And we saw some big schools, we just couldn't get them to eat. But thank you guys for being such a good part of this channel and a good part of this family. I mean, all the comments that you guys give me, the thumbs up, all the interaction, coming to see me when I'm out fishing, and come by and saying hi, meet me at the boat ramp. You guys are awesome, and I appreciate y'all very much. So we get to see y'all on the water here pretty soon, y'all. Tight lines, Jetty Rockers. We'll be seeing y'all real soon. Hey Jetty Rockers, thank you very much for watching this video. I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jetty Rocks Fishing, and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page, which will send you a link to my Teespring page, where I have some cool shirts and some mugs. I appreciate you guys very much. Well, check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jetty Rockers.